Hi everyone, I am Ernest and I'm going to explain how to download and install MySQL Community Server. First of all, we have to open the link where we can find the installers of the Oracle company. We click the download button and click then no thanks, just start my download. Okay, and we have to wait until the download finished. Once the installer have finished, you have to open it, click next, accept the terms, click next, and complete. You have to proceed to install. Okay, once the program is installed, we have to run the MySQL configurator. You have to click finish and then next, next. We have to put one password here and click next, 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 execute. And finished. Okay, once we have the program installed, we have to go to command window, and here we have to type MySQL version, and the program don't find it because we have to change the path. Okay, here, so we have to modify that path. Okay, first of all, we search the programs folder and copy that link, and then go at the same place, and we have to modify that path. New, accept. Okay, so let's try again. MySQL version. So here is the number of the version, and apparently is installed correctly. Finally, let's try typing SQL you root password. Okay, and show the database is. That's the proof that the program is correctly installed. And now we have to download and install the MySQL workbench. No thanks. And open it. Next, next, complete. Okay, install. Okay, launch the program. And we have to put the password. Continue anyway, and is is correctly installed and connected with the MySQL server. Okay, let's go to the section number 3. MySQL community server is an open source relational database management system, and it's used for storing and managing data in applications. Is very used in that world, and the world of coding and databasing, and it's essential for applications that require organization and efficient data management. Alternatives to that program of Oracle are PostgreSQL and SQLite. That's two examples of open source two programs. MySQL Workbench is a user-friendly tool to design and manage MySQL databases. Um, it helps to plan the database structure, handling admin tasks, and write, and execute queries easily. Because in the MySQL server, it's so difficult to manage that databases. It's useful for developers and database administrators. I understood that it's like in coding, the program NetBeans and JavaScript console. I think it's something like that. And an example of an alternative of that workbench, I found the Beaver, and that's the link for downloading and install it. Okay, let's start the section number 4. Let's see the workbench interface. First of all, we have to open the program. Okay, we have to search here workbench, and that's the interface of the program. We can see here the window of for coding the database, and below we have the output window, and in the left we have some options, like we can see the server status, okay, the traffic in that moment, in bits per second, the number of connections, selects per second, etc. Here we could see the client connections now, so anyone is here because it's a new database. The users and privilege, the variables, etc. Okay, let's create a new user at account with that name, new user, and here we put an example password, very easy, and with administrator permissions. Okay, so apply, is created. Okay, and finally I'm going to create a new database with the new user. First of all, I have to create a new database called school. Okay, have to refresh. School. I have to say which schema I want to use to create a new table called students. And this table will have three fields. First of all, student, ID student. It's gonna be an integer auto increment. It's gonna be the primary. Then we need a field called name. It's going to be varchar with 50 characters and null. And finally, a field surname. And that's all. The surname, it's varchar. And that's all. If I want to execute, and we see here the table students with the 3 columns. Thank you.